In this video, we're going to be installing dbt in a GitHub Codespace. I choose GitHub Codespace because it allows us to very quickly access an environment where this type of installation instructions will work without contaminating our own development environment. So let's copy that code and let's go to one GitHub Codespace. You can access that by going, for example, to the repo where I'm hosting this series of videos. This is dsincubator/dbt. You'll see a green button there that says Codespace, and you can hit here on Create Codespace on the main branch of this repo. Everyone has some free time to use GitHub Codespaces. It takes a little while, and then you'll be dumped into a VS Code editor, and here you have a terminal. After a little bit, you'll be able to paste the code just there that we copied from the installation instructions. Actually, you can click on the file. If you did go to the repo that I showed you, here you will have the installation instructions. You can copy one by one if you want, or just copy the whole thing and paste it right there. I'm going to do that. What this is going to be doing is, while I paste this and it runs, I'm going to be explaining a little bit of what that command does. Let's paste everything there. So first, we're going to be installing Python and also pip, and then we use pip to install dbt core, which is the essential piece of software of which these tutorials are about. And then we're going to be using pip again to install what's called a database adapter. So that is a piece of software that knows the details of a particular database, in this case DB, and connects it to dbt core. I'm choosing DB because it is a very simple database. It's very cool if you want to actually use it for real usage, but particularly cool for this example because it requires almost no configuration, and you can run something without having an account in any kind of cloud database provider. Okay, so let's see now. Let's run the pip install DB in case that command didn't run before, and that should be it. So now we can try verifying with dbt version to see if that did install, and there we are. We have dbt installed. Next, we are going to be talking a little bit about the basic usage, and later we're going to be talking about the structure of the dbt project.